Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drones for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're just starting out in the world of drones or looking for an upgrade that's easy to use, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Force One Scoot Pro hand-operated drone. This is an excellent choice for beginners, especially kids. Thanks to its patented motion sensor technology, you can control this drone simply by using hand gestures, which makes it a fun and interactive experience. It even avoids collisions with family members, pets, or furniture, making it ideal for indoor use. One of its standout features is the 360 degrees rotating flip that's activated through hand movements. Pair this with its bright LED projection, and you've got a mini light show right in your living room. The design is compact, with a durable, kid-safe webbed shell that protects the propellers and ensures it can withstand minor bumps. It's lightweight and small, making storage and portability effortless. However, its flight time is limited to 6 to 8 minutes per charge, so you'll want to keep the USB charger handy. With its STEM toy certification and award-winning features, this drone is perfect for kids ages 8 and up, though adults will also enjoy its simplicity. While the Scoot Pro is an entertaining and safe option, it's not designed for outdoor use or for capturing images or video. It's more of a toy than a photography drone, but for its price point, it's a great introduction to the world of drones. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-use option, this is a solid pick for beginners. Coming in at number 4, we have the Sky Viper Dash Nano drone. This ultra-compact drone is perfect for beginners who want something small, lightweight, and easy to fly. Its improved auto-hover feature allows for stable control, even between commands, which is a lifesaver for new pilots. The one-touch auto-launch and landing functions make takeoff and landing seamless, while the 8 one-touch stunt options add a bit of flair for those looking to impress their friends. From a design perspective, the Dash Nano is sleek and lightweight, making it ideal for indoor use or calm outdoor conditions. While it lacks a camera, its dual flight mode allows you to practice both auto and manual controls, giving you a chance to develop your skills gradually. The drone is rechargeable via USB and includes a remote control for intuitive operation. However, the lack of advanced features like obstacle avoidance or a camera might limit its appeal for more ambitious beginners. This drone is best suited for kids and those just starting out, who want to focus on the basics of flying. It's a budget-friendly option that delivers on simplicity and ease of use. While it doesn't offer the bells and whistles of higher-end drones, it's a fun and functional choice for learning the ropes. At number 3, we have the Neem NH760, a beginner-friendly drone that doesn't compromise on features. This model is equipped with a 1080p HD camera with a wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos. Its foldable design makes it easy to pack and carry, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. The NH760 also includes intuitive features like gesture control and flight path drawing via its mobile app, which adds a fun, interactive element to flying. In terms of build quality, the NH760 is lightweight yet durable, with propeller guards for added safety. This drone offers 3 speed modes, making it suitable for both beginners and slightly more experienced users. The 360-degree flip feature and headless mode make flying exciting and straightforward, while its altitude hold ensures stable hovering. However, its battery life is limited to under 10 minutes, so you might want to invest in spare batteries for extended use. The Neem NH760 offers great value for its price, blending ease of use with advanced features like live FPV video streaming. It's ideal for those who want to dip their toes into drone photography without breaking the bank. While its short battery life is a downside, its rich feature set and portability make it a fantastic choice for beginners looking to experiment with aerial photography. At number 2, we have the OK-UK FPV camera drone, a feature-packed option that's great for both kids and adults. This drone comes with a 1080p HD camera that can tilt up to 150 degrees, offering fantastic flexibility for capturing stunning aerial shots. The brushless motors ensure quieter operation and better wind resistance, and its night vision capabilities make it stand out for evening flights. The drone is equipped with advanced features like obstacle avoidance and optical flow positioning, which make flying safer and easier, especially for beginners. The design is sturdy and portable, with a foldable frame and a lightweight build. It includes 3 rechargeable batteries that provide a total flight time of up to 45 minutes, which is impressive for its price range. The included remote control and app-based FPV streaming make operation intuitive and engaging. However, while the flight time is excellent, the charging time for each battery can be lengthy, so planning ahead is essential. This drone is ideal for beginners who want an all-in-one package with advanced features. Whether you're practicing basic maneuvers or capturing scenic views, the OK-UK drone offers versatility and performance. Its slightly higher price point is justified by its robust feature set, making it a worthwhile investment for aspiring drone enthusiasts. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Tizzy Toy drone with 4K camera. This drone is a beginner's dream, offering professional-grade features in an easy-to-use package. The 4K camera with a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens allows you to capture breathtaking photos and videos, while the FPV mode lets you enjoy real-time footage directly on your smartphone. Its brushless motors provide quiet, efficient performance with excellent wind resistance, making it suitable for outdoor use. The Tizzy Toy drone comes with 2 1,600 mAh batteries, giving you up to 40 minutes of flight time. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it travel-friendly, while its host of features like gesture control, headless mode, and one-key takeoff/landing ensure a smooth experience for beginners. The added obstacle avoidance feature and optical flow positioning make this drone both safe and easy to fly, even in challenging environments. What sets the Tizzy Toy apart is its balance of price, performance, and features. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to step into the world of drone photography or videography. While it's slightly more advanced than some other beginner drones, its user-friendly design and robust capabilities make it the best overall pick on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.